Be everywhere, be consistent, professional, accessible, and all the services they offer, just really clean, easy to contact them, all their socials. And LinkedIn, you can also create a business page that way. X, you can just create a business page without ever doing a personal page. And show them you're engaged too, you know, like I'm active in my community, I know this community. You want to show them these things. So, how do you combat that? Well, you respond with, you know, as they say, make lemonade out of lemons. SEO just means search engine optimization. On top of that is search engine marketing, what we call SEM. It's a great data source. And it will also give you reports on how your website's doing, for example. We are using software that pushes out your website information. And who do you know who's passed you by because they couldn't find you or they didn't know? Are you professional at all times? Are you involved in your community? Do you let people know, hey, I live here, I work here?